Oh, and Merry Christmas to everybody. This is just a short, keep you up to date little clip to say I'm waiting for parts to come in. I've had a couple of parts, but not everything we need to get this engine up and running. So we're just waiting on the parts. And of course, for the Christmas period, I've got to spend some more time with the family. So Bill's kind of on a hold for a little bit, but not too long. So just keep your eyes peeled. I wish everybody a happy Christmas and a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. So don't drink and drive, and I hope you all have a nice one. And normal videos will resume very shortly. So just keep your eyes out. So until then, have a nice Christmas, Happy New Year.